Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open the banking app or web portal and sign in with your credentials and two-factor method. Once done, navigate straight to the PixLink or payment link section. You don't need extra setup. Make sure you've selected the exact PixLink to change so you don't alter another one. Next, tap or click the link settings or edit icon to reveal the password field. From here, you're ready to enter the current password and proceed to create a new one. You should now enter the current password, then type a new one that meets the rules shown. Use a mix of upper and lower case, digits, and a symbol. Aim for length rather than predictable words. Once done, re-enter the new password to confirm and watch for immediate validation feedback. If the system requires an OTP or CAPTCHA, complete it right away. Make sure to save or apply changes. The interface usually confirms success with a message. After that, consider storing the password in a manager. You're nearly finished. Save the change and then test the PixLink using a low-value transaction or the preview option to verify the new password works. Once confirmed, update any recipients or internal notes so access isn't interrupted. If the change fails or you can't log in, try clearing browser cache, restart the app, or use another device. These steps often resolve session problems. If none work, contact the bank's support and provide error details so they can restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.